Yo, what up? Ito nga po pala ang inyong lingkod. Muli, ang kalbong bordado. Yung meron tayong i-react. Nakita ko na to sa FB. Sinend sa akin ni Mami. Yun, patungkol to sa isang foreigner na niloko. Para maging aware yung mga foreigner. For you foreigner, be aware in what is happening here in our country. Yo, English, nosebleed. Yun, para sa mga foreigner na nagbabalak pumunta ng Pinas, maging aware sila sa mga sitwasyon sa kalsada. For all foreign who want to go to the Philippines, for you to be aware on what is happening in our street, for you to, para hindi ka may scam. There are so many scammers in the street, for you to be aware in what is happening here in the Philippines. Yo, game, i-react natin to para maging awareness na rin. Yeah. Ito yung si Chris Lewis, ito yung may-ari ng video. Vlogger to na foreigner. Game.
You go close? I'm very close. Yeah. Only here.
Malapit lang siya sa Manila to, kung di nagkakamali, Manila to. Kumbaga, malapit na yung hotel niya, nagpapahatid siya. Sabi niya sa tricycle, pahatid. Ito si Manong Tribal. Okay, ulit.
Only Red Planet, you know? Yeah. You will go? How much? Okay, we will take this tricycle. I'm only like a 2-minute walk, but let's just try the tricycle.
2 minutes lang yung diferensya nung ano niya. Kumbaga yung layo nung ano niya, kung lalakarin mo 2 minutes lang. Ngayon nag-decide siya na mag-tricycle kasi nga para na rin sa vlog niya. Content na rin kung anong mangyayari.
Interesting. How much, brother?
So ayun, for the foreigner, you must be aware. He's asking what is the price of the pamasahe. What did you call pamasahe? Tinatanong niya kung magkano pamasahe. Ang hirap mag-English ang wala. Yun. Pero ayaw sabihin ng nung tricycle driver. Sige, tuloy natin. Grabe, Englishing is nose bleeding.
How much first? How much? How much?
He's asking for the price or how much will it cost if you travel using a tricycle, but the tricycle driver is not responding any price. He's not giving price, just brum brum.
How much? 50.
Ayun, nagbigay siya ng price, 50 pesos. 50 pesos, yun, nagbigay siya. Hindi ko pa kasi nakapanood, sa totoo lang. Viral to viral. Pero hindi ko pa siya nakapanood. Sa FB kasi ito nang galing eh.
First time I've been in a tricycle. I like your bike. Yeah, motorcycle. How many cc? 200 cc. Okay, nice. That's good. Fourth gear. Oh, nice.
Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, dito sa entrada to ng Divisoria. Ayun yung circle na yan, no? Sa entrada ng Divisoria, pag galing ka ng Pasay, punta ka ng Divisoria, diyan ka dadaan sa circle na yan. Palabas at papasok. Yung circle na sa gitna yan, eh. Yung circle na yan. Manila to, Manila. Tuloy natin.
But 150cc. I drive 150cc, yeah. Not 200cc.
So, ayun na, bumiyahin na.
This what? Eagle. Yeah. Eagle. You like eagle? You're free like eagle. Flying. What's your name, brother? Oh no, your hat. Is that your hat? Or clothes? Drop the clothes. Drop the clothes. Hello, is your clothes?
Masayahin yung foreigner, masayahin.
Clothes. Okay. No problem. Wow, it's nice bike. How many years do you drive? 20 years. 20 years. And your age? Yeah. 20 years. 27. 27? Yeah. You drive 7 years old? Yeah. Wow. You motor. 7? Yeah. 7 years old. Yeah. Wow. 7 years old and driving. Is this for a hand? I think I hold my hand like this. then we need to put this up here so we can talk to him. What's your name? My name? Yeah. Chris. Chris?
O yun, siya yung vlogger, Chris.
Any name? Any name? Any name? NN. NN. Yeah. NN. Okay, good name. You are from Manila or a different place? Your home. Manila. Yeah. You Manila. Okay, good.
Ano daw siya, he's been driving tricycle for over 2 decades already. 7 years old, he's driving tricycle, you know. 7 years old pa lang siya, nag-drive na siya ng tricycle.
I make YouTube.
Pero ayaw niya sabihin yung pangalan niya eh, no?
YouTube. Me? Sorry? 3BB. I'm 3BB. Oh wow. You're a strong man. Strong man. Very strong. Okay, here's good. Well, you know direction. Good. You know you're straight. What is this one? Motor style. This one. Cat. Cat. Yeah. Oh, cat. What this is for money or for money? For no money. Yeah. What is inside? Cat. Oh, cat. Oh, this is cat. Yeah. Okay, I see. Okay, brother. This one for you. In, right? 550. 550. Yeah. No, 550. No, company man. Motor. Man, it's so close. No, yung company. Man, I hear you say 50. 550. Man, 550 is so much.
Ayun na. Tignan mo, kung bibilangin mo yung oras, segundo lang eh, minuto lang eh. Kung bibilangin mo yun, kaya niya nga lakarin yun, tapos sisingilin niya 550. Man, he told the foreigner, what do you call that? Pamasahe in Tagalog is only 50 pesos. But when he arrived to the place, siningil niya 550 pesos. Damn. Scammers. Liar. Man, nakakaya yung mga ganito, no?
550 I go airport. Go you company. Man, it's so close. 1 kilometer. Yeah. Man, I will give you 100. I hear 50. No.
Diba? Diba? Nakakaya. Ayan, sige. Ibulgaran yung kayan dyan sa Maynila. Dapat sa mga ganito, inuhulit tong mga to eh.
550, you're going to charge me? Yeah, your company too. Company Moto, and you're going to charge me 550. 550 for this. Yeah. $10 US.
God damn it.
You know you're on camera, right? Yeah. Okay, man. Okay. I will give you 550 then.
Diba? Nakakaya itong mga ganito, pre. Nakakaya kayo dyan, mga tricycle driver sa Manila, bugbugin nyo to. Kung kasi bugbugin nyo to, pag makita nyo. Nakakaya.
There's your 550. Yeah.
Sobrang nakakaya ka, boy. Huwag mo gawin yun, hindi maganda yung ginagawa mo, tol. Hindi maganda yung ginagawa mo, nakakaya ka. 50 lang yung sahod mo, tapos naging 550, naka-on cam ka, oh. Tanga-tanga wala.
Thank you, sir. Okay. No, I'm not giving more. Man, sorry guys,
Forget foreign. Sisingilin nyo ng ganun.
you said 50 at the beginning.
Diba?
Oh man.
Nakakaya.
I swear to God. Man, I put me in that mood. Oh well.
Nakakaya, men. Nakakaya. Sobrang nakakaya. Diba? Nakita niyo ba yun? Nakita niyo yung ginawa ng kumag na yun? Kaya yung Pilipinas na damay sa mga kalokohan nyo, lalo nyo sa Manila, napakaraming manluloko dyan. Ako, talamak yan sa kalsada at pinaguhuli ang mga yan eh. So yun na nga, hanggang dito na lang yung natin, nakakabuisit, di ba? Damay na naman ng Pilipinas, naka-vlog yun, million viewers. Nakakaya.